Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. I sort of wanted to do this video just as a clarification or as just an FYI, a heads up. For those of you who may be asking, or for those of you who may be wondering. So you guys have probably noticed that I have done a few, just a tiny little bit of clip-in related videos this year, or clip-in related collaborations. So with that being said, I just wanted to come on here and just have a little bit of a chat about that and just clarify that and explain to you guys why it is that I do it. You know, it's not just about there are other reasons. There's a method to the madness. The reason why I have been doing clip-in related videos, and I will do clip-in related videos from time to time, is because it allows people to actually see the clip-ins. I don't know about you guys, but one of the things that I love the most about shopping and things like that is being able to see someone wear the stuff, especially online shopping. I love being able to see someone walk and wear the items, and I love seeing the reviews, especially YouTube videos of certain stuff before I buy it. Skincare, hair care, companies, you know, all that kind of stuff. I always review things or read the review of things just to see what others are saying, because I don't want to spend my money, especially when it comes down to purchasing things. I don't want to spend my money on things that are trash. I don't want to spend my money on things that are wasted, because I want to give you guys the ability to see the items on someone and to see how the items look on someone, to also see the quality of the items. I know you won't be able to feel and touch because the majority of hair stores are online, but at least it gives you that opportunity to see whether you will like the item, how it looks on my hair texture, how it looks on my skin color, things like that. How does it flow? How does it look? Is it easy to wear? Is it easy to apply? You know, things like that, so that when it comes time to you buying, with which, you know, some companies are selling their stuff for prices that are not cheap for most people. When it comes time to you forking out $150, $160, $200 for some hair, you can trust that, one, it's a reputable company, two, you're getting good quality stuff, and three, you will like it and it'll look good on you. I hate when I buy something and it's trash. I hate when I buy something and it doesn't suit me, because that's a waste of money, and, you know, returns, the process of returns, etc. It's a lot. So giving you guys the plethora of companies, especially, you know, well-known companies and things like that, allows you to then have a look at me reviewing these items, and it allows you to then decide, okay, this is the company I'm gonna go with. I like this company better. This company's hair looked nicer. This company's hair flowed better. This company's hair, you know, merged better with my hair texture, with Tatenda's hair texture, which means it'll merge well. Which means it will look good with mine. Also, it allows for people with the same hair texture as me to know whether or not something is gonna work out for them. There are occurrences where I have reviewed items that were didn't match my hair texture correctly, even though they were marked for my hair texture. So things like that, so that you don't have to waste your money. I am here to be your lab rat for everything, whether it be rice water, whether it be brushes, whether it be, you know, whatever it is. I'm here to be your lab rat, so that you know that my money can go here, or you know that my money shouldn't go here, and also give you guys a little bit of a discount while I'm at it. So yeah, that is my reasoning for doing this plethora of hair, especially 4C, 4B clip-in related stuff. And I know it can be very repetitive sometimes, which is why I try and space it out. You know, a lot, especially over towards the end of the year. I try to space it out a bit more so that it's not just, you know, bombarding you and stuff like that. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked my tiny little bit of a chat explanation and stuff like that. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.